If you look at the Bitcoin price right at this very level of support, see the market has broken out, and the expectation is that this market should move right down, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. And also ICP computer, I told you that the market is going to move upward when the market was at this very point of $8.90, and the market moved up to the very target of $11, and right now the market is retracing. What is the expectation right here? Is this market going to find its way to the upside? All of these and many more I'll be talking about in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the Bitcoin one-day chart, if you look at this very area of support, I talked to you about this level. It's a very important level, and I believe that this market is going to break. This is where we see this breakout, and right now market is going to go down. In as much as markets also have capacity of moving to the upside a little bit, I am expecting that this market come back down into this very area of $37,000. So I'm expecting this market to come back down as we start this week of trading. This is my expectation, and the level, like I said earlier in one of my videos, is for you to watch this very point where the market moved from in the past at this very area. This is where I am expecting this market to move into, and then after that movement will be continuation to the upside. So if market will move, impulsive move, and then retracement before continuation again to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now on the Bitcoin one-day chart. So expect the market to move downward because we've seen this breakout that I've been talking about happen on the chart right now. So pay attention to market moving to the downside into the $37,000 and $35,000 level right now. And on the 4-hour chart, something very important here is that the market moved down into this level and then move up a little bit for a retracement and then continuation back to the downside. But something very important here is that the market have not created any new low, okay, lower than the previous low at this point. So we can quickly say that the market did not create any low lower than this low, which means the market have capacity of moving from here. So this very level of support is very important on the chart, and that is what I am watching right now on the 4-hour chart. So from here, market have capacity of moving upward, and that is what I'm expecting right now on the 4-hour chart. Market should move upward, that is from this very area, a movement to the upside to this very level of resistance before continuation downward. We have to see that very breakout, which is very important. Once you see that breakout, then market is going to continue the movement to the downside into this very area of $37,000. So this very zone is very important after the breakout of this level. So once you see a significant bearish candle, so the market is going to move into this level of $37,000, and that is what you need to watch right now after the breakout. But on the immediate short term, expect this market to move upward and then continuation. So it will be better for you to look for short opportunity, okay? Look for shorting in the market and not to buy, because even though we see the movement upward, market is going to still, come back down, because right now this is a downtrend, okay? A short downtrend in the market right now on the 4-hour chart. So look for shorting opportunity, not buying from this very zone where the market is right now. This is what you need to watch on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on the ETH 4-hour chart right here, market is at a very nice support. So from this very level of support right here, I'm also expecting the market to move upward. That very movement is important and isn't going to last long. So market should find its way to the upside from here, and then on this resistance, market is going to come back down. We need to see the market create a new low, because when the market went back down, create a new low, or the previous low at this area went up, and have not created any new low to signify that this market will still continue back to the downside. So what you need to watch right now is the market moving upward from here. So there is a high capacity that the market is going to move upward. So once the market moves upward a little bit, then look for short opportunity as well. On ETH, market is going to still come back to the downside. Look for short opportunity. Don't buy from here in as much as market is going to move upward. That very movement is a short-term movement that you need to wait for the market to stop that movement before continuation to the downside for a short opportunity. So look for short opportunity on ETH from this very area after the market will buy from this very zone of support. And one more thing is that if the market break out on this level of support right at this very point, so if we see the market break out here, then that means this market is going to move into this very zone of $2,037. So this very area is a target after we see a breakout from this very zone of support right at this very point. So this is what you need to also watch on the ETH chart. And ICP Computer, in my immediate last video, this very one right here on the channel, I told you that the market is going to move to the upside, and the exact same thing into this very level of $11. So from here, when I did that very video, market moved all the way from this very point to the upside into the $11 level, and that is the exact same point we see the market retrace from. This market still have capacity to move to the upside, but expect the market to move a little bit downward into this very level before continuation upward. So I'm expecting that the market continue this bearish formation into this very area where we see a little pause in the market before continuation to the upside. So expect the market to move into this very zone of support before continuation upward. So this market is going to find its way downward before continuation to the upside. I am still expecting that this market move upward. So look for buy opportunity or long on the futures market from this very zone will be a nice place to long the market from, or from this area will be a nice place to buy the market from on spot to the upside. I am expecting that this market move up because this market still have momentum to move upward. And on ADA, if you look at this market, is lacking momentum, moving downward. Market is moving sluggishly with a lot of bearish candles anyway. But if you look at the strength to which the market moved from here, this is a very high strength, and then market right now is going to come back down a little bit into this level of support. So this level of support is a very important level right at this very point. So I am expecting that this market move down a little bit into this level of support right at this very point. So a little movement downward on ADA before that very movement upward is necessary, and it is not the time to also buy. Even though the market moved down here and begin to move to the upside, look for short opportunity as well on ADA. Look for short opportunity. The reason is because I am expecting that this market move downward. So from this level of resistance right here is a nice place to short the market from to the downside. So look for short opportunity on ADA, and I am also paying attention to this very level of support. So a breakout here on ADA is going to send us into this very level of support right here. So once you see a bearish breakout with a significant bearish candle from this very point, then once that breakout occur, expect the market to move into this level of support again. So these are the things you need to watch right now as we start this week of trading. And lastly, on Solana, if you look at Solana chart, market have not dropped to create a possible new low, and that is what I'm expecting on Sol. So expect the market to continue this movement downward into this very point of support. So this point of support on Sol is an important level of support, and the reason because this is where the market moved from in the past to the upside. So market moved from this area upward, so it will come back into this point before that very continuation to the upside again on Solana. Now, one possibility that I see on this very pair is that market have a high chance of moving from where it is right now to the upside before continuation back down. And the reason is because from this very area we have a spike, okay, and that is where the market is right now. So a rejection candle, the market to move upward, come back to the same point where we see a rejection candle, and then market is going to move up again before continuation to the downside. So on Solana, expect the market to move either from this area or from this level of support to the upside, but you need to also watch for short opportunity. Even though market move from this area upward or move from this area upward, don't buy the market. Look for shorting the market from this level of resistance right here and this level of resistance at this very point. These are the two areas to short the market from to the downside, or you short the market from here to the downside. So these are the things you need to watch right now on these various pairs, which is very important right now, and you need to pay close attention to this very chart, more especially on the Bitcoin 1-day chart. Like I said, I am expecting this market to come back into this level of $37,000, and if the market move up contrary to what I am expecting, I'll also update you on this very channel. If you find value in this video, please help like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.